Here we're going to be looking at how to pronounce Châteauneuf-du-Pape correctly with a typical French pronunciation. I did make a video explaining all the key facts that you should know about Châteauneuf-du-Pape wines, the famous Rhone wines from France, from Châteauneuf-du-Pape. I'll link to it at the end of this video, so make sure to stay tuned and to watch that video because it's very, very interesting to know exactly what you are going to be drinking. But for now, how do you pronounce Châteauneuf-du-Pape? Well, first, Chateau, you know how to pronounce this, and then neuf, just like in enough, kind of like in enough, but the last part of it, Châteauneuf, and then du Pape, just like pop, but with an A, Pape. Châteauneuf-du-Pape, the typical French pronunciation, Châteauneuf-du-Pape, Châteauneuf-du-Pape, Châteauneuf-du-Pape. Here is that video about all the key facts that you should absolutely know about Châteauneuf-du-Pape if you're considering having one, if you had one in the past, or if you're going to have one right now for the holidays and so on. I'll leave you to it, and I'll see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye-bye. Ciao.